Hello and welcome all of you. I am Dr. Savita, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Shahid Uddham Singh Government College, Matak Majri, Indri, Karnal. Today we will discuss explanation with reference to context in the play The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. Let us get started. Explanation with reference to the context. What is the meaning of context? Context means the situation within which something exists or happens. The surroundings, circumstances, environment, background, or settings that determine, specify, clarify the meaning of an event or any other occurrence. वह परिस्थिति जिसमें कोई घटना घटी हो. There are only two parts of this answer: reference and explanation. Reference means reference means when you are mentioning something. Explanation means when you make something very clear. First thing which you have to keep in mind, that you have to go through the text thoroughly, and in between the lines you must know the beginning, middle and end of the play completely. Let us discuss part 1. A reference shall provide the following details about the extract. First, the text to which it belongs. Name of the play. Here we will discuss the play The Merchant of Venice. The author. You must know the name of the author who has written it. The Merchant of Venice is written by William Shakespeare. Next, the place in the text, like beginning, middle and end, and you must know acts, scenes, etc. And speaker or speakers, एक speaker है या कई speakers हैं, of those extracted lines. Relevance or importance of the given extract. Extract means a portion of a book or document incorporated distinctly in another book, a citation or quotation. Let us see what we will discuss in explanation. As I have told you earlier, that explanation means something which you have to make it very clear. It shall explain the themes of the text. Themes means what is the central idea of the text, what are the main points. You have to highlight the main points of the text and simplify the given extract. You have to make it very simple and clear. Next, explain each and every line in simple manner. Try to write in your own language along with its relevance. And you have to give evidence that you understand the meaning of the words given in the extract. Let us discuss one example from the play The Merchant of Venice. I will read the text of these lines. All that glitters is not gold. Often have you heard that told. Many a man his life hath sold, but my outside to behold. Gilded tones do worms enfold. Had you been as wise as bold, young and limbs in judgment old, your answer had not been inscrolled. Fare you well, your suit is cold. Let us discuss how to write reference to context. These lines have been taken from the play The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. These lines have been spoken by the Prince of Morocco in Act 2, Scene 7 in the play. He is one of the suitors who has come to try to win Portia's hand in contest. There are three caskets of lead, silver, and gold. One of these contains Portia's picture. Whoever opens the right casket will win her hand. The Prince of Morocco opens the golden casket and finds a skull with a rejection letter in it. Now you can see that we have mentioned the name of the play, the author or the playwright. We have mentioned the name of the speaker, Prince of Morocco, and location in Act 2, Scene 7. and we have mentioned main points or the theme of the play, like he is one of the suitors. We have given an introduction about the Prince of the Morocco, and in the last line we have discussed the central idea of these lines. Let us discuss how to write explanation. In these lines, the Prince of Morocco reads the words written on the rejection letter which he finds in the golden box with the skull. These words indicate him that every shining thing is not gold. हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होती. People have often heard this saying. Many people have been deceived by outward appearance of थिंग्स एंड पर्सन. कई लोग बाहरी दिखावे से धोखा खा जाते हैं, चीज़ों के बाहरी दिखावे से धोखा खा जाते हैं. इन ब्यूटिफुल टॉम्स ओनली वॉर्म्स लिव. द राइटिंग इन द कास्केट टेल्स हिम दैट ही इज अ यंग एंड बोल्ड फिजिकली, बट इफ ही हैड बीन ओल्ड इन wisdom, he would have made the right choice. Therefore, these are the concluding lines or the central idea of this extract. In all that glitters is not gold, Shakespeare finds a perfect and beautiful image to express a profound truth, and it has become one of his most recognized quotes. In this case, love is not a matter of a superficial, shiny object, but is full of some more dreary things like responsibility and obligation. That's it. Here we have references